average person types at 41 words per minute. And just some quick math, if you're a casual user, 1 hour a day, just doing social media, emails, just casual browsing, you're looking at 365 hours per year. If you're like a knowledge worker and you're using a computer for 3 hours a day, and now you're looking at 1,095 hours per day. And if you're more like a heavy user, you're doing programming, you're writing, you're on the computer all day, you're looking at 1,825 hours per year. All that data that I just shared is per year. And if we track it out over a 20-year span, now you can see a casual user is looking at least 4% of their entire time over 20 years spent typing, and a knowledge worker is looking at 12%. And if you're someone that's on a computer a lot, you're now looking at 20% of your entire life just spent typing. So you may ask, why am I sharing all of this statistics? Why am I sharing all this data? And that is because today I'm showing you an AI tool called Typeless, which is literally what the name implies. It is no typing. So you don't have to learn to type at double the speed. It's literally going to save hours and days, weeks, months, years, and it's going to give it back to you so you can do other things. As always, I will have a link in the description below. It is typeless.com, and this isn't just your standard like voice to text. There are features built in using AI, of course. This is an AI channel, and the AI features just bring it to that next level while you're talking to it. And you can see here right away we can download for Windows, and they even have it for Mac, iOS, and Android. So it will literally work regardless of where you are, what app you're using. It's going to work for your workflow. And as you can see, the words per minute are substantially higher. So you're no longer saying, hey, can I take 40 words per minute and can I learn to double my typing speed? This is literally 5 times faster. So we're going to start with Windows. I'm going to get it installed and I'm going to show you how it works. And I want to remind you, if you enjoy AI content, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Cover AI on a daily basis so you can stay up to date with the latest and greatest that's going on. So when you go through the setup process, it's going to ask like, how did you find it? It's going to say, hey, do you see the blue bars? Is your mic working? Yeah, my mic is working. And eventually you're going to get to a screen that looks like this. And you can see your overall personalization. So we can actually see a report and everything. All your data stays private. You can see total dictation time, total words dictated, time saved. So you can always see like how much time have you saved over your entire lifetime of using Typeless. And you can see the average dictation speed, 207 words per minute. All right, that is cool and all. Let's start jumping into the feature set because it is absolutely insane what you're able to do with Typeless. So you can see we're in a Google Doc and I'm going to show you some of the features that we can actually start using. And there's 3 different hotkeys that we've set up during the setup process, and each one does something different. And we're going to start off with the bare bone basic one, which is dictation. And all I have to do is click the right Alt key and it's going to start listening to me. You can actually see the little icon that popped up and it's going to just dictate everything I said the minute I unclick that right icon. So, or unclick the right Alt tab again. And you can see it does it perfectly each and every time. But here's where it gets really cool. So I'm going to like just tab down and let's say I was writing an email for someone to say, hey, I'm going to meet you at a certain time. So watch this. Hey, I'm going to meet you tomorrow at 5 p.m. 3 p.m. I'm going to meet you tomorrow at 3 p.m. And you're going to see here that I totally butchered that sentence, but using the AI in the background, it has the ability to make the adjustment where it's going to say, let me just zoom in so you can see that a little better. It's going to just automatically adjust it. So it says, hey, I'm going to meet you tomorrow at 3 p.m. It corrected all my stuttering. It removed the filler words and it auto edited the entire text to make sense. Say we're on an email. It can actually format emails for you instantly. So again, all I got to do is click the button to activate the speaking, and then I just talk in my email. Hey, Bob, how's it going? I'm going to reschedule the meeting tomorrow for 5 p.m. Thanks, Franklin. And again, I just toggle it off. It's going to take the entire thing. And you can see here, we have a nice formatted email now just by talking into our computer. So imagine you're replying to an email. You can actually now just quickly talk into your mic and you don't have to worry about the formatting. It's going to actually format it all for you nice and quickly. And if you notice, they even said, hey, thanks, Franklin, and it got my little signature perfect. It also understands formatting of lists. So for example, my shopping list, bananas, apples, pineapple, and watermelon. And you're going to see here that it literally made a shopping list for me that quickly, that easily. So as you can see, it's not just using voice to text, it actually understands context. So it understands, hey, we need to remove these filler words. We need to format this text for an email. email, or maybe you want to format an entire list. But here's where it gets really wild. So maybe it's late at night and you want to continue your vibe coding and you want to like put in a long sentence of, hey, I want you to fix all of the following, but everyone in the house is sleeping and you can't talk into your mic. Well, check this out. Okay, so I have a lot of problems when I code. Can you go through and make it better? I want to be more modern and add a night and day toggle so I can change the theme quickly. And you can see that was literally me whispering, and it literally did the entire thing perfectly, instantly. So now I can continue vibe coding late at night without waking up anyone else around me. And Typeless can actually learn your own dictionary words. It can learn based off the words that you use. So the next time you correct a word when you're speaking, it will remember and learn for future. So you can see here, we're back on the app and we can see our home, we can see our history, we can see everything that's going on. In the bottom left, there is settings, and we're going to click that. And you can see these are the quick settings that we can use. And so far, I've only shown you dictate. Ask anything is absolutely insane. So stick around a little longer to see that. But we're going to go to translate next. And you can see translate is right alt and right shift. And if you look further down, it actually says your translation target. You can change this to any language you want. Now, when I click the right alt and the right shift, instead of just typing up whatever I'm saying using all the fancy formatting that I was just showing you, now it's going to translate into Spanish. Hello, my Spanish viewers. Can you please subscribe to my channel? And you can see here, it's really quick and easy to just translate anything on the fly. Okay, so at this point, I'm already sold on Typeless, but I haven't shown you the best feature yet, which is the Ask Anything. So I can actually highlight this entire text. This is a little story I have, and then I can click the Ask Anything command. Can you turn this into a longer story and make it funny? And you're going to see here that it has the ability to just interact with my text as well, and then make changes. So you can see here, it just made the entire story that I just highlighted a little longer. So let's hit undo for a second, and I want to show you what else you can do with this. So again, if I activate it, hey, can you turn this into a tweet and add emojis and hashtags? And just like that, it's going to update this for a social media post, and it is all ready to go. And you can see we now have a social media post that easy, that quickly. So it's like having your own personal editor everywhere you go across your entire computer. But it gets even cooler. Hey, can you open YouTube and search for Franklin AI? And it has the ability to actually interact with your computer. So you can see it opened up Franklin AI, and you can actually see some of my videos here. So the Gemini Notebook LM one is a very good one. So you should go watch that if you haven't seen it already. Or maybe, what is the weather in New York? And it has the ability to search the web and get you a quick answer without leaving wherever you are on your page. So you can actually see, here's your answer, and it tells you everything you need to know. Typeless also has the ability to type as you with your voice. However, for that to happen, you need to run it long enough so it actually collects data to understand who you are and how you write. So for me personally, Typeless is a game changer. I can now type emails substantially faster, and I spent way too much time already typing emails, so that's going to bring that down quite a bit by using Typeless because it can format my emails for me. And then also, when I am coding, vibe coding, I can now type in whatever prompt I want substantially quicker, and again, it's able to format all my prompts one after another perfectly. I also type up stuff for the newsletter, so if you don't know, I have a newsletter that you can subscribe to so you can stay ahead, one email per week, and you get an AI prompt guide. I send the type of the newsletter, I can type up that substantially quicker now. I type up stuff for like tools and different things that go on the webpage. I can now use Typeless to cut down my own personal time when I'm updating the website for you guys. So Typeless is something that I truly believe in, and honestly, without even paying, just the free account is very generous. You get 8,000 words per week, and you get access to pretty much everything I showed you in this video for just 12 US a month. You get access to unlimited words. And if you scroll down, as usual, they have like the nice little chart that shows you the difference between the two. I'll have to know what you think. Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to leave a like on the video. Tell the algorithm you enjoyed this type of content. You want to see more of it. And don't forget to subscribe while you're down there doing all the liking and commenting, because you can stay up to date with the latest and greatest AI that's out there. Thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow with another AI video.
Right there, AI tools, AI news, AI prompts you can use. It's all for free. Just come and see at FranklinAI.com where you're meant to be.